Weekends are meant for exploring new places. But what if getting there was as easy as your ride? Electric bikes are changing the way we approach weekend getaways. Electric bikes provide the perfect solution for those short on space. Whether you're hopping into your car, train, or even taking a flight, these bikes fold up into a small, manageable size, making it easy to transport your adventure. With an electric bike, you're not just making your trips more convenient, you're also choosing a greener, more sustainable way to travel. Reduce your carbon footprint while exploring the beauty around you. Whether you're exploring city streets, countryside trails, or seaside paths, foldable electric bikes make it easy to navigate any terrain. With built-in pedal assist motors, they're designed to give you a boost when you need it most. Weekend getaways aren't about rushing from one place to the next. With electric bikes, you can explore at your own pace, stopping to enjoy nature, take in the sights, and make lasting memories along the way. Weekend getaways are meant to be simple, stress-free, and full of adventure. Foldable electric bikes are making it easier to explore while embracing convenience and sustainability.